of any precipitation, but because of the wind.
That's right, Patrick. A wind advisory in effect until 2 o'clock this afternoon. We're talking about potential for a little bit of wind damage or power outages. I don't think it'll be a widespread issue, but can't rule it out when we're talking about gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. Radar is dry, though, and I do expect it to stay that way. Our threat tracker in the medium threat level for the daylight hours today. Wind advisory again until 2, gusts 40 to 50, so isolated wind damage possible tonight. We'll drop our threat tracker to low, and we'll keep it there for Wednesday. Roadways are going to be in better shape this morning heading over the hurricane, the Eyeway from our hurricane barrier bridge camera. You can see that the skies are dry. Smithfield's 43, a gust over 30 miles per hour recently there, 36 mile an hour peak wind gust so far at the Rhode Island College campus in Providence, temperature 43. When you add in these winds, it makes it feel in the 30s. So that's what you'll want to dress for as you head out and get ready to begin your morning commute, gusting to almost 40 miles per hour in Warwick, westerly, and even in Newport with those fairly widespread temperatures that are in the low and mid 40s. So here's the setup. The storm system that brought the rain yesterday, bringing snow to northern New England and parts of Maine. That system is exiting and making room for this H on the weather map that you see building down from the Great Lakes. That is an area of high pressure, a fair weather friend. That's a good thing if you're a fan of sunshine and dry air. Only problem is there's a pretty noticeable change in pressure, a large change in pressure between where that low is and where that high is building in. So right here in New England, we're getting those strong wind gusts due to that change in pressure, and that wind direction going to be coming in from the northwest today. So here's the wind gust futurecast, and through the morning commute, you can see those winds gusting pretty frequently between 30 and 40 miles per hour. And again, a few of those gusts may be stronger than that. At noon today, we're still going to see some gusts at times over 30 miles per hour, but they're less frequent. And by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, still quite windy, but not as windy as what we're going to see this morning. This is even at 8 o'clock this evening going to be still a pretty brisk evening commute. And then by tomorrow morning's commute, the peak winds only going to be gusting up to 15 and 20 miles per hour. So tonight we'll start to see those diminishing winds. So windy, dry, and seasonable for the afternoon. Low and mid 50s at the coastline, Narragansett near 51, 50 in Burrillville, 52 in Socket, Johnston near 53, mid 50s in Seekonk, Attleboro 53, New Bedford near 54 degrees, and Fall River should be in the low to mid 50s as well. Tonight falling down to about 29 degrees with those diminishing winds, and we'll be under sunny skies and seasonable high temperatures on Wednesday with a high of 54. We jump the temperatures up into the 60s on Thursday and on Friday. I'd say Thursday is definitely the better of the 2 days for taking advantage of that mild air because it is going to be dry during the day. But Thursday night into Friday, we're going to be tracking periods of rain, mild temperatures, and some gusty winds along a cold front. And that front is going to drop our temperatures down. So we're still in the 50s on Saturday as that cold air rushes in Saturday night. Can't rule out a few snow showers Saturday night. So talk about a change. 60s on Friday, snow showers possible Saturday night. Sunday's high near 45, and by Monday, we'll barely climb into the low 40s. Full Futurecast available on the Eyewitness News.